Hey there, wonderful souls. Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about building bridges to success, one step at a time. Today's message is all about empowering you to take those crucial steps toward your dreams. Life is like a journey, and success is the destination we all strive for. But remember, it's not about making giant leaps. It's about taking one step at a time. So, let's dive into some simple yet powerful ways to build those bridges to success. 1. Setting goals. First things first, set clear and achievable goals. Think of them as the stepping stones that make up your bridge. Break down your big dreams into smaller, manageable tasks. This not only makes the journey less overwhelming, but also gives you a sense of accomplishment with each step. 2. Embracing challenges. Challenges are inevitable, my friends. Instead of seeing them as roadblocks, view them as opportunities to strengthen your bridge. Embrace the hurdles, learn from them, and use that newfound knowledge to fortify your path to success. 3. Continuous learning education is not confined to classrooms. Every experience, every setback, and every success is a lesson waiting to be learned. So, be a perpetual student of life. The more you learn, the more tools you'll have to construct a sturdier bridge. 4. Surrounding yourself with positivity. Your environment plays a crucial role. Surround yourself with positivity, people who inspire and uplift you. Their support will be the wind beneath your wings as you build your bridge. Remember, you are the company you keep. So there you have it, lovely souls, building bridges to success, one step at a time. Start small, face challenges head on, never stop learning, and surround yourself with positivity. Your journey is unique, and your bridge is waiting to be built. Take that first step today. If you found this video motivating, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more inspiration, and share your own success stories or tips in the comments below. Remember, you've got this, and we're cheering you on every step of the way. Until next time, keep building those bridges to success.